In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Skool account. By the end, you'll have a fully activated profile and know exactly what to expect at each step. All you need is an internet connection and access to your email. First, open your preferred web browser and head to https://www.skool.com. On the home page, look for a button that says Sign Up or Create Account. It's usually at the top right or front and center on the page. Click it to begin. If you're on a shared computer, consider using a private browsing window for a bit of extra privacy. Also, make sure you see the secure padlock icon in your address bar so you know you're on the legitimate site. Next, you'll see the sign-up form. Here, enter your name, your email address, and create a password. Use a strong, unique password that you don't use anywhere else, and a password manager if you have one. Double-check your email address to avoid typos, since you'll need it for verification in the next step. When everything looks good, submit the form to continue. If there are optional fields, you can fill them in now or skip and complete them later inside your account settings. After you submit, it's time to verify your email. Open your inbox and look for a message from Skool with a verification link. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute, then check your spam or promotions folder. When the email arrives, click the verification link to confirm your account. This step is important because it activates your account and ensures you'll receive notifications. If the link has expired or doesn't work, return to the sign-up page and request a new verification email. Once your email is verified and you're logged in, set up your profile. Upload a clear profile photo so people can recognize you, and add a short bio to introduce yourself. This helps others in communities know who you are and what you're about. You may see onboarding prompts that guide you through preferences like notifications, interests, or time zone. Take a moment to personalize these so your experience matches your needs. None of this is permanent. You can revisit your profile and settings anytime. That's it. You've gone to the site, created your account, verified your email, and set up your profile. If you run into issues, try resending the verification email or using the password reset link on the login page. You're now ready to explore and engage with communities on Skool.